Is there anything more annoying than this? That stubborn, sticky, dirt-collecting gunk left behind by a price tag? Before you attack it with your fingernails and rage, stop! I'm about to show you how to remove it effortlessly with stuff you already have in your kitchen. Your secret weapons are probably hiding in plain sight. We're going to use the power of oil or a simple paste. All you need is something like cooking oil or a bit of baking soda and water. Method 1. The oil trick. This is perfect for glass or plastic. Simply apply a bit of any cooking oil, vegetable, olive, coconut, it all works, directly onto the sticky residue. Let it soak in for a few minutes. The oil breaks down the adhesive. Now for the magic. Take a cloth or paper towel and simply wipe the residue away. It should come off with almost no effort. Look at that, clean and smooth. Just wash with soapy water afterwards to remove the oil. Method 2. The baking soda paste. If you have a tougher spot, mix a little baking soda with a few drops of water to create a thick paste. It should feel like toothpaste. Apply the paste to the sticky area and gently rub it in with your fingers or a cloth. The mild abrasive quality of the baking soda will lift the glue without scratching the surface. Then just wipe it clean. 2 simple, chemical-free methods to defeat sticky residue forever. Your new jars, glasses and products will look perfect from the start. If this life hack just saved your fingernails, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more genius solutions to everyday problems. What's your most annoying cleaning challenge?